Before we begin, let me introduce all of us who are here. On my right, Dipinder Hooda. On his right, of the Indian National Congress. On his right, Manoj Jha of the RJD. Left, the parliamentary leader in Rajya Sabha, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav. Mr. Sanjay Raut, the parliamentary party leader of the Shiv Sena UBT. And Mr. Jairam Ramesh, the chief whip of the Congress in the Rajya Sabha. Today, before we begin, today is an important day in Tamil Nadu. It's the 102nd birth anniversary of the late Mr. Karunanidhi. So no DMK MP obviously would travel on a day like this before you all start some other speculation. Okay? The press conference today will be addressed by 5 of us. I will start. Then we will have Dipinder Yadav, then Mr. Sanjay Raut, and 4 of them I think will speak in Hindi, and Mr. Manoj Jha. Right. So here we go. It's a very short press conference of less than 10-12 minutes. Number 1. 16 parties have written a letter to the Prime Minister demanding, asking for a special session of Parliament. The names of those parties are here. These are the leaders of the parties. And the letter basically talks about Punj, Puri, Rajouri, and having a free and frank discussion in Parliament. I'm going to give you the names of these parties. Before we give you the names of the parties, why this letter? The government is responsible to Parliament. Parliament is responsible to the people. So it's but natural for all these parties, since the government is answerable to Parliament, that's why this session, because Parliament is responsible to the people. Who are these parties? The Indian National Congress, the Samajwadi Party, AITC, also known as Trinamool, the DMK, the Shiv Sena UBT, the RJD, the JNK NC, National Conference, the CPIM, the IUML, the CPI, the RSP, the JMM, the VCK, the Kerala Congress, the MDMK, the CPI-ML Liberation. If you add that up, it's 16, and our understanding is that one more party is writing directly tomorrow to the Prime Minister, and that is the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, so that's the letter. The first signature on that letter is by the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The second signature on the letter is, as per the number of MPs in Lok Sabha, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party. Professor is also here. The third signature on that letter is from the All India Trinamool Congress, the National General Secretary, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. The fourth is Mr. Balu of the DMK. Then we have Arvind Sawant of the UBT, Abhay Kumar Sinha of the RJD, Mia Altaf Ahmed of the JNKNC, Mr. K. Radhakrishnan of the CPIM, Mr. Bashir of the IUML, K. Subramanian of the CPI, Mr. Premachandran of the RSP, Joba Maji and Vijay of the JMM, Vijay Hansak, Dr. Tholkapian of the VCK, Advocate Francis George of the Kerala Congress, Durai Vaiko of the MDMK, and Raja Ram Singh of the CPIML, along with 2 more from the Congress, that is Mr. K.C. Venugopal and Ms. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. That's the total list of the signatures. So 16 of these have signed, and I conclude by saying that the rest of the MPs will also be signing. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in the next couple of days, 2 days, 3 days. But this is done. That process, given the technology available, we will get this done. We're looking at getting it done this week as soon as possible. We want this special session. Over to Dipinder Hooda.